How was it?
Rita. Rita. Actually, I have not worked with everyone
Fresh to lahat.
except for Kuya Mike. I think James and I had a film, and have not worked. First time to work with everyone.
Wow.
So actually, when I heard it was a Joshua Garcia film. Actually, nasa ano ko nasa it's okay not to be okay. Pero I have one scene and hindi kami magkasama. So when I heard it was a Joshua Garcia film, sabi ko, okay, I want to work with him. Tapos, of course, on set, first day pa lang, hanggang na agad yung set namin eh. I was working with Joshua, Ronnie, and Hart. So sa set pa lang, tinginan pa lang namin, okay. Kumakapa pa rin ako. So eventually, it became, ang dali makuha ng relationships. Ang dali namin nakuha yung relationships because we were just openly discussing our roles. Kung saan kami nagkamali. We openly admit it and we laugh at it. But we make sure that we get it right. Diba? So, and of course with our directors, with the two directors, they make sure we get it right. Kasi kung hindi magagalit si MP. And of course with the young actor, puro revelation, especially Ivana, I was watching you. Kasi yung scenes namin ni Ivana towards the end na mas action eh. But I was watching you and Josh kanina, di ba gumagano ako sa inyo? It's not, hindi sa kissing scene ha. Hindi sa love scene ha. Dun sa scene na nasa cemetery sila. And I think it was not overacting. It was just right, exacto for that scene. Yung kumbaga,
Tamang timpla.
yung kaya ako gumaganon. Because sometimes when I watch, lalo na pag mga serye, ang taas minsan nung, di ba, pag-arte. Ito, tama-tama yung timpla. And I think Josh with the nuances for his character as Teo, nakikita natin yun. Diba? And then of course, yung mga sila James, sila Fiang, sila JM, makikita mo yung yung promise na alam mo na yung next generation mga artista natin. It's just really a good ensemble. So,
Alright.
thank you for the opportunity, Prime Video and Dreamscape.
Alright. Thank you, Epi. Okay, our next question is from Glitz PH for Jameson. You portray the husband of Ivana's character. So far, how would you describe your dynamics with her? And do you also have intimate scenes together?
Intimate scenes, I think you've probably seen it's a teaser.
Paldo.
It's very different this time kasi the first time we worked together, we were playing as somehow siblings, something like that, friends, siblings. Pero this time, we're playing as lovers. So, ayun, it was a challenge din kasi we look at each other as friends, pero pagdating sa lovers, it was a bit of a challenge nung una. So we had to break the ice while we shot Love Is Never Gone. But
So how did you break the ice?
with the help ni Direct Manny, he helped us break the ice with the scenes. They were not easy scenes, I would say, pero ayun, they were good scenes overall, and I think it was needed for us to break the ice.
Right. Not to spoil muna. Kasi malamang upcoming pa yung mga scenes na yan direct, di ba? Okay. Naku, Ivana, ang next question is for you from Glitz PH. Rate Joshua Garcia's kiss from 1 to 10.
10.
Ay, di ba tapos yung question?
Sorry.
Well, go. Ulit, gusto mo tapusin kayo na?
Sige,
Okay.
go ahead.
Rate Joshua Garcia's kiss from 1 to 10.
10. Ayan, nag-isip pa.
Care to explain?
Hindi, kasi nakita niyo, di ba? Siya yung talagang grabe. Talagang gano'n na nakota siya. Ang laki ng bibig niya. Bakit? Tatawa ka. Totoo naman eh. Kaya sabi ko, huy, grabe ka na sa lipstick. Yung lipstick ko nawawala. Tapos, ayun, okay naman. Magaling siya.
Did you ask for tips from anybody from the set?
Direct Manny. Si
Ah.
Direct Manny po kasi ang nag-direct nun.
Okay.
Grabe. Dinirect niya pati kung paano yung paghalik. Ganyan, nakikinig kami.
You really need that. It's
Yes.
choreography, di ba? Siguro it's fair lang that we ask Joshua also. Rate Ivana's kiss from 1 to 10.
9. May room for improvement.
Ay! Oh, sige. So next, di ba direct may isa pa?
Medyo gagit kami dun sa 9, ha?
Okay. Kasi hindi ko na buksan yung bibig ko ng ganun eh. Nagets ko na.
Okay. Okay. Mula kay J of Certified Kapamilya for JM and Fiang, complete the sentence. My love is never gone because... JM and Fiang, complete the sentence. My love is
My
never
love
gone
is
because...
never gone because of you.
Fiang, ikaw naman. Kaya...
Go there! Ilaban mo yan!
Love is never gone because of Ooh, you, of us.
Of
Oh,
us. So when you say us, meaning...
Ha?
The whole cast.
The whole cast, oo. Kasi love na love natin yung whole cast.
Okay, sige na nga, Fiang. For Joshua and Ivana, the teleserye is titled Love is Never Gone. Pero sa iyo ba, ano ang isang bagay or ano-ano ang mga bagay na pwedeng magpasuko sa iyo para maging gone ang love mo sa isang tao?
Anong isusubok?
No.
Suko!
Suko.
Ano suko?
Sorry,
Grabe!
Sabi ko, sorry pa, ulit ka ng tanong.
Okay, the teleserye is entitled Love is Never Gone. Pero sa iyo ba, ano ang isang bagay or ano-ano ang mga bagay na pwedeng magpasuko sa iyo para maging gone ang love mo sa isang tao? Ano yung mga bagay na pwedeng maging deal breaker?
Ako para sa akin, ang cheating, lying, and ang hindi pagmamahal sa pamilya.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pasok naman yun kasi sabi ko ano-anong mga bagay. So tatlong na rundown ni Ivana.
Ako importante sa akin yung pamilya. Yeah. Yun lang.
Okay sa'yo mag-cheat? Why?
Hindi,
ano,
siyempre,
ano?
parte na yun.
Oh.
Pero, number one kasi sa akin yung family. Diba?
Alright. Next is for Miss Dina ulit from Janice Navida of Bulgar. May naging statement ka sa isa sa mga interviews mo na napapagod ka ng gumawa ng mga teleserye. Bakit ka nakumbinsi rito sa Ivana Joshua series?
Well, first of all, I really wanted to work with Joshua and I wanted to work with Ivana. I said na I wanted to meet her. But maganda kasi yung storya eh. Tsaka maganda yung character ni Katarina. Like I said, she's a multifaceted character. Weak siya pagdating sa anak niyang si Ace na talagang minamamasboy niya na kasi mahal na mahal niya. Doting mother naman siya kay Fiang. Tapang-tapangan siya kunyari kay Divino, but deep inside niini siya. Pero ganun pa rin yung parang statement ni Katarina is, public property ka. It's not my business to run after public property. I know myself. Parang ganun. Minsan kasi nakakapagod minsan kapag teleserye, pag paulit-ulit yung story. Like sabi ko nga, kadalasan sa mga TV series natin na napapanood, palagay yung issue, nawalan ng anak, nailab sila, yung pala magkapatid sila. But it's always may issue nawalan ng anak, nagkapalit yung anak, nawawala yung nanay. Parang napaka-common, parang wala namang ibang kwento. But with this kasi, Love is Never Gone, I love it, di ba? Sinabi ko nga doon sa In the Making, this is more Hollywood than Filipino. Kasi there's a lot of action in it. And it's so timely kasi here we deal on the issues of human trafficking, merong smuggling, merong parang medyo diskaya yata ang role ko eh.
Shh daw, sabi ni Direk Manny, shh.
Hindi, parang kasi alahera siya. And then, basta parang smuggling. smuggling ang ginagawa niya. But it's so timely yung mga issues dito. So sabi ko, itong dapat napapanood. May action, may sex, may love, may romance, may family. Parang every person can relate. Hindi kayong, hindi naman nawawala yung anak ko, hindi ako makarelate. Ito makaka-relate ka. Lahat ng character, merong isang taong makakapulot ng hugot doon na, ako yan.
Tama.
Ako yan. Ayan, tsaka sa mga lalaking babae. Marami makaka-relate dyan. Yun.
Alright, thank you, Miss D. Next question is for Joshua. Same pa rin mula kay Janice. Gaano mo nakakilala ngayon si Ivana Alawi after niya mag-shoot sa Morocco?
Sobra.
Sobrang ano?
Sobrang kilala na.
Spill the beans.
Sobra, I mean, sobrang comfortable na ako sa kanya. Sobrang comfortable na, like, ang bilis na namin makagawa ng mga scenes together. And like, nung nag-umpisa kasi kami, kailangan pa ng mahabang discussions bago magsimula kasi syempre, bago pa kami sa isa't isa. Pero ngayon, sobrang ano lang, like, we're friends, right? No?
Meron ba kayong mga icebreaker sessions, intimacy workshops?
Hindi kami nagkaroon ng workshop
Yeah.
together. Diretso kami sa lang. Pero pagdating namin sa Morocco, may mga times na pag hindi kami kinukunan, nagbabond kami.
Okay.
Tapos may one time na lumabas kami mga casts sa Morocco. Yan, masaya yung mga ganong bonding kasi at least doon nakikilala namin yung isa't isa.
Right.
At least, kasi iba rin kasi pag may bond yung mga characters eh. Makikita mo siya sa mismong screen eh. Kita mo yung ilangan, di ba, kung hindi sila comfortable sa isa't isa, and then, yun.
I don't want to put you on the